I'm going to walk you through the PERC task. It's a computer-based task that assesses persistence, effort investment, resilience, and challenge seeking, all behaviors thought to associate with a growth mindset. To students, the task is called Puzzle Mania. Students are told that strong puzzle-solving skills are useful for many things. In the first part of the task, students do 4 easy puzzles. They select the piece that completes the pattern. All puzzles were chosen from Raven's progressive matrices. Next, students are given some feedback. They're told they did very well on the first set. This is to create an experience of success for students. Research has shown that students with more of a fixed mindset tend to attribute their success to things like their fixed ability. By contrast, students with more of a growth mindset tend to attribute success to things like effort. With these attribution questions, we're interested in understanding how these students explain their success. Students are then asked to choose what kind of puzzle they would like to do next. Would they like puzzles that are at the same level as the first set, or would they like ones that are more challenging? This is our main measure of challenge seeking. Students are then told that the test set will have a mix of easier and harder puzzles, and if they want, they can practice some puzzles before they advance to the test. They're then given a choice. Would they like to do a practice puzzle or skip practicing altogether? The practice puzzles are more difficult than the first set of puzzles that students did. So they select the piece that completes the pattern, and then they advance to see the solution. It shows students what they answered and what the correct answer is, and then it provides some tips for solving the puzzle. At the end of the puzzle, they're again asked if they would like to do another practice puzzle or stop practicing and skip to the test. The amount of time that students spend practicing is our measure of effort investment. Students can do as many practice puzzles as they want, up to 5. When students advance to the test, they're told that they can do as many test questions as they want. They can quit the test at any time. The first puzzle in the test is easy. It's at the same difficulty level as the first set of puzzles that students did. The next 4 puzzles in the test are very difficult. They're much more challenging for students. And at the end of each of these puzzles, students are again asked if they would like to quit the test or do the next question. The amount of time that students spend on these most challenging puzzles is our measure of persistence. After the most challenging puzzles, we end the test with 3 easy puzzles. These are puzzles at the same difficulty level as those in the first set. For our measure of resilience, we take students' score on these last easy puzzles and subtract from that their score on the first set of easy puzzles. This provides an index of how well students were able to bounce back on these puzzles after they encountered the really challenging ones. And that is the end of the PERC task. The entire thing takes about 20 minutes or less.